me show you how Israel is trying to manufacture consent for the destruction of Baalbek, a World Heritage Site, through the use of Wikipedia. When you click on the Wikipedia page of Baalbek, this pops up. And as you can see, it states that Baalbek is a Hezbollah stronghold. But if you go to the Internet Archive and search for previous iterations of the page, you will find that that sentence is not there. So I decided to do a little bit of digging. If you go to the talk page on Wikipedia, you'll find the discussions that editors have on content. And check out this exchange between two people. One is questioning why this statement, that Baalbek is a Hezbollah stronghold, keeps popping up. And then you have a whole back and forth in which the person who keeps adding this description to the Wikipedia page on Baalbek is stating that they have sources that show that it is a stronghold. So I went to look at the sources. There are two news pieces. One is the Voice of America, the other one is Reuters. And they both state that Baalbek is a Hezbollah stronghold without any justification, any sources whatsoever. The other one is a book by Matthew Levitt, ex-State Department, currently a member of the International Advisory Board for the Institute of Counterterrorism in Israel. A self-described expert on Hamas that tweeted this as a response to the potential destruction of Baalbek. So you see what they did here? It's the word of one guy plus vibes that are unsubstantiated from Reuters and from Voice of America that has now been put on Wikipedia to justify the destruction that Israel has been planning for months on one of the world's most spectacular heritage sites. This is what manufacturing consent is. Because for the thousands of people who never heard of Baalbek before and went to look at it in Wikipedia, the first thing that they see is an allegation that this city is a Hezbollah stronghold and therefore is possible for destruction. And you might ask yourself, where the fuck is UNESCO? I have good news. They tweeted. They reminded all parties of their duty of protecting World Heritage Sites. Of course, not mentioning who's carpet bombing them. I guess it is something because, the Director General of UNESCO, Audrey Azoulay, deigned to retweet this. This is the same person that when Odessa was bombed by Russian forces, put out a statement condemning Russia's violation of brazen cultural rights, even going so far as to quote the 1954 Hague Convention for the Protection of Cultural Property. To Madame Azoulay and the institution that she represents, I would ask, is your outrage selective?